I've broken my glasses. I don't know how. They just came off in my hand. That's totally irrelevant. Let's move on. We're going to talk about handwriting. We're going to talk first, though, about letter formation, because handwriting has all these connotations, doesn't it? Neatness, beauty, size, there's all sorts going on. I'm wearing this t-shirt today with lots of different handwriting styles or font faces if you're talking about word processing, but they all have a formation, the formation of the shape, and that's what we need to think about before anything else. So forget handwriting, let's think about letter formation. If I say to you, or you say to me, Mr. Walton, draw a square, well, I could form that shape in lots of different ways. I could go like this, and then I could go like this, and then I could go like that, and then I could go like this, and then I could kind of neaten up the edges a bit, and I go, I've made a square. That's good. Is it neat? It's fairly neat. But what was the form of that? What process did I go through to construct that shape using my hand, using my pen or pencil, and using my eyes? It was a bit all over the place. I didn't have a method. I need a method. Now, I'm no artist yet. I haven't learned to draw yet. But when I form a square, I usually start in one corner and I go round, and I think I probably go clockwise, although I don't know, maybe I've not even thought about it. I need to go and find someone and say, look, you're an artist, you draw things. Give me a form for the square. Give me some tips on that I could experiment with. And it's got to be the same with our writing. We're not going to worry about the size of our letters. If we don't have a clear form, a clear method for making each shape, we don't need to worry about size yet. I'm certainly not going to worry about if it's beautiful or not. The beauty will come later. We need the form first. If I say, okay, draw a face. Here's my method for a face. I draw some sort of oval. I draw some eyes. Obviously, we need an eyebrow or two, a nose, and perhaps a little mouth. All right, I've got my face. Is it beautiful? Is it a piece of decent drawing? No, it's not, frankly. You might have an alternative opinion, but I'm not going to worry about the beauty until I've got a form. Now, an artist might say to me, okay, that's a certain style, that's okay, but if you want to go for accuracy, those eyes need to be in the middle. So already I've improved one little part of my formation. The eyes need to be in the middle because that's where they are. The rest might stay the same for now. Although it's still not a piece of beauty, it's actually a bit more like a human face than they might say some other things there. They might say, do you want to have ears or not? And you might talk about that. So we're not going to worry about making our handwriting beautiful or even the right size first. We're not even going to worry too much about finger spaces or being on the line or being against the margin, though those things will soon be important. The first thing is letter formation. Enough talk, Mr. Walton. Let's do some letter formation. Let's do it in the next video where, yes, my glasses will still be broken.